Hi, my name's Hugh. I'm one of the developers of the Fabrik application builder for Joomla, and I'd just like to give you a really quick overview of a new plugin we have in Fabrik that provides push notifications by integrating with JoomPush from Websol. Now, although JoomPush is a paid plugin, if you're watching this before November the 28th, 2017, they have a Black Friday deal, 40% off, so now would be a good time to get it. Okay, lightning fast overview of JoomPush. It is a Google Firebase application, meaning that pushing is free via Google. It works in Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, and on Android with Chrome. It doesn't provide notifications for iOS because iOS doesn't yet provide a web push notification service. So they are supposed to be working on it. So hopefully soon enough. Okay, so once you've installed JoomPush, there's basic configuration. You enter your server and API keys that you got from your Firebase console. You tell JoomPush who you would like to be asked to sign up for notifications. So you can do it on the front end, the back end, or both. You can include guests or not. You can set the access level of users you want to be asked. JoomPush itself provides groups which you can create yourself, or you can optionally synchronize with Joomla as well. So say somebody's logged in and they are in the manager and registered groups, they will go in these two groups for pushing. And once subscribed, you can do quick pushing straight from JoomPush. Let's just send a quick test to the administrators group. And bloop, that's Chrome putting up a desktop notification of a push from Google. Okay, so on to the Fabrik part. Fabrik has always had form plugins for email and SMS, so when somebody submits a form, you can send email to people, you can send text to people, but we never had a push notification plugin, and now we do. So let's set our access level to registered so that any registered user that hits the front end of our site will be asked if they want to subscribe. Let's go to Firefox, where I haven't subscribed yet. I'm not logged in, so I can refresh and I won't get that request. But if I log in as my normal registered user, as soon as I log in, it should ask me yes. So allow notifications. Now let's just test that in JoomPush on the back end before we move into Fabrik. In our last test, we tested the administrators group. This time, let's test the registered group. So let's do a quick push. To registered, and hopefully this time Firefox will see it. Yes, and here we have this as Firefox's notification, slightly different to Chrome's, but that was Firefox getting the notification from the registered group push. Okay, so into Fabrik, what we're going to do here is we just a real simple test. It's an events list that has a calendar visualization, and I'd like to inform people with pushes when I add a new event. So we'd go in, edit our events form. Here I've already added it. Normal Fabrik plugin stuff. We're going to do it. Let's do it in the front end on edit and new. We could opt to use a template from within JoomPush, but I'm going to define one here where we have the ability to do normal Fabrik stuff, add placeholders for elements on the form. So in this case, we're just going to say we've got a new event, the label of the event, and it starts on and the start date. That's our title. We're going to send it to every, well, no, let's send it to that registered group. You can also send a push to an individual user as well as the group. So say you have a created by on the form, the owner of the form could be informed that somebody has added an event. Okay, so let's save and close that. Go to our events list, add an event, which is going to be in London on the 26th. Save that. Fabrik should be running its plugins on the back end, and there we go. We just got a push notification of a push test event starting on the 26th. And by default, it's going to link to the detailed view of that event. And just to show that it'll also work from the calendar view of our form, we'll go in, we'll calendar event, oh I can't spell, which is going to happen somewhere in Ireland. We'll save that, and we should get another push. Firefox telling us on the desktop about the new event. And that's it. Push notifications for Fabrik. Thank you very much for watching.